everyone, I am Nidhi from Edureka and I welcome you back to Edureka's YouTube channel. Today, we are going to explore one of the most in-demand and fast-evolving industries out there, that is cloud computing. But before we get into the details, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on latest tech content from Edureka. If you want to learn cloud computing and build a strong career as a cloud architect, Edureka offers a complete learning path, the Cloud Architect Master Program designed just for you. In this course, you will gain expertise in Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, DevOps and more, all in one program. You will also work on real-world projects and gain hands-on experience to become industry-ready. So what you are waiting for? Check out the link in the description and subscribe to Edureka's channel for more tech learning. As more businesses shift to the cloud, the demand of skilled cloud professionals is skyrocketing. If you are looking to build a successful career in tech, understanding the key skills needed for cloud computing is absolutely essential. Let's dive in and explore the key skills you need to succeed in this field. So first up, let's talk about cloud platform expertise. Whether it's AWS, Microsoft Azure or Google Cloud, having in-depth knowledge of these platforms is crucial. These platforms offers a wide array of services that are essential for designing and managing scalable cloud applications. Whether you are deploying virtual machines, managing databases, or building cloud-based applications, understanding the ins and outs of these platforms will set you apart in the job market. By becoming proficient in platforms like AWS or Azure, you will be able to design cloud architecture that meet the specific needs of businesses, ensuring they run efficiently and cost-effectively. So now that you have got the foundation of the major cloud platforms, let's talk about automating and deployment of cloud infrastructure. So the next skill that we will discuss is infrastructure as code. As cloud environments grow more complex, managing and deploying infrastructure manually becomes impractical. That's where IAC tools like Terraform and AWS CloudFormation come in. These tools allow you to define and automate cloud infrastructure using code. With IAC, you can quickly provision resources, replicate environment, and scale applications. This is a game changer because it ensures consistency and reduces human errors, making a cloud management more efficient and streamlined. Moving on, no matter how great your infrastructure is, security is always top priority in the cloud world. With the vast amount of sensitive data being processed in the cloud, cloud security skills are non-negotiable. AWS IAM, Azure Active Directory, and Google Cloud Identity are just a few tools that help to manage access control and enforce security policies. You will also need to be well versed in compliance frameworks like GDPR, HIPAA, and SOC 2. Being able to ensure your cloud environment meets these compliance standards will help to protect the data and maintain the trust with customers and stakeholders. Next, let's move on from securing the cloud to building scalable and portable applications in the cloud. So containerization and orchestrations are vital in cloud computing. With Docker for containerization and Kubernetes for orchestration, cloud professional can package applications into lightweight containers that can run anywhere. This makes deployment faster and more consistent across the different environments. Kubernetes in particular allows you to manage containerized applications at scale, handling everything from automatic scaling to self-healing applications, whether you are working on AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. Mastering Docker and Kubernetes will be a huge asset in building cloud-native applications. So now that your applications are scalable and portable, let's look at how we can accelerate their deployment. Let's talk about DevOps and CI/CD practices. Continuous integration and continuous deployment have revolutionized the software development cycle. Tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI, and Circle CI allow the cloud developers to automatically integrate and deploy code, ensuring that the updates are made efficiently and without downtime. These practices streamline the deployment process, enabling faster releases and more reliable cloud applications. If you are working in cloud computing, knowing how to implement CI/CD pipelines is absolutely essential. So, while automation helps you in deployment, you also need to be able to run applications without managing the server manually. This is where serverless architecture comes in. Instead of provisioning servers to run applications, you can use AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, or Google Cloud Functions to run code in response to events. This means you only pay for the time your functions are actually running, making serverless computing highly cost-effective. Serverless architecture allows the developer to focus solely on writing the application code, while the cloud provider automatically handles the infrastructure. It's perfect for scalable, event-driven application in the cloud. So now we know cloud computing is all about automation and effective management. But how do you ensure everything is running smoothly? Monitoring and logging are crucial for maintaining cloud environment. Tools like AWS CloudWatch, Prometheus, and Grafana gives you a real-time insights into health and performance of your cloud application. The ELK stack helps you to log management, allowing you to track issues, detect anomalies, and troubleshoot quickly. Being proficient in these tools ensures that the cloud systems are running optimally and the issues are identified and resolved as soon as they arise. So with cloud computing, managing data is just as important as managing the infrastructure. So let's talk about databases next. So whether it's SQL or NoSQL, cloud professionals need to understand how to manage the databases. AWS RDS and Azure SQL Database are excellent managed SQL services, while MongoDB and DynamoDB are leading NoSQL databases. So cloud computing allows the databases to be highly available and scalable, and the ability to configure, maintain, and optimize these databases for peak performance is becoming increasingly essential. As more businesses rely on cloud databases, this expertise is high in demand. Now, let's have a look at the networking side. In cloud computing, networking and content delivery are crucial for ensuring data is transmitted effectively. Cloud platforms like AWS VPC, Azure Virtual Network, and Google Cloud VPC are setting up private networks. You will also want to leverage CDNs like AWS CloudFront and Azure CDN to ensure your content is delivered quickly. No matter where your users are, these tools will optimize the performance by reducing latency and improving the user's experience. So now let's talk about automation, another key aspect of managing cloud environments. Cloud automation is key, and scripting tools like Python, Bash, PowerShell, and AWS CLI can help to automate common tasks like provisioning resources, configuring environments, and managing the deployments. Automation ensures that you spend less time on manual work and more time on building and optimizing the cloud solutions. So now, as we move toward the future, technologies like AI are making their way into cloud computing. Cloud providers offer powerful AI/ML tools such as AWS SageMaker, Azure AI, and Google AI. These services make it easier to integrate artificial intelligence and machine learning models into cloud-based applications, enabling the businesses to leverage data for predictive analytics, natural language processing, and more. So if you're interested in working with cutting-edge technologies, gaining expertise in AI/ML in the cloud is must. And finally, let's talk about managing workloads in multiple cloud environments. With businesses using multiple cloud providers, hybrid cloud and multi-cloud strategies are becoming more important. Tools like VMware Cloud, Google Anthos, and Azure Arc allow you to integrate and manage workloads across the multiple clouds. This reduces dependency on single vendor and provides greater flexibility and resilience. So yeah, there you have it, the must-have skills for cloud computing careers in 2025. Mastering these skills will not only make you a strong candidate for cloud computing jobs, but also equip you with the tools to excel in a rapidly growing industry. So that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment down any of your doubts and queries. We will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka's channel to learn more. Happy learning!